Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are breaking down FIFO process costing using the big white hats example. I will walk you through the 5 steps, keep everything super simple, and show you exactly how the numbers work. Let's get started. In December, we have 3 groups of units. We begin the month with 5,000 units in beginning working process. We start 60,000 new units during the month. So in total, we need to account for 65,000 units. Under FIFO, we only count the work done this period. First, beginning working process. These units already had all of their materials last month, so this month we only complete the remaining 30% of conversion. This gives us 1,500 conversion equivalent units. Next, we look at the 40,000 units that were started and completed this month. These receive 100% of materials and 100% of conversion. So we get 40,000 EU for direct materials and 40,000 of conversion. Finally, ending working process has 20,000 units. Materials are 100% complete and the conversion is 50% complete. So that gives us 20,000 EU for materials and 10,000 for conversion. Adding everything up, we get 60,000 EU for materials and 51,500 EU for conversion. Now let's look at the costs. Beginning working process has $166,000 from last period. This includes 75,000 of materials and 91,000 of conversion. This month we add another $723,000 of new costs. There's 300,000 for materials and 423,000 for conversion. Because FIFO only uses the current period cost for the EU calculation, we divide this month's cost by this month's equivalent units. For materials, 300,000 divided by 60,000 gives us $5 per equivalent unit. For conversion, 423,000 divided by 51,500 gives us $8.21 per equivalent unit. Now we apply these costs to the units. First, beginning working process, we bring forward the old cost of $166,000 and we add the cost needed to finish them. This 1,500 conversion EU multiplied by 80/21, giving $12,315. Next, units started and completed. Materials cost 40,000 units times $5, which is 200,000. Conversion costs 40,000 units times 821, or 328,400. Finally, ending working process. Materials cost 20,000 times $5 equals 100,000. Conversion cost 10,000 EU times 821 equals 82,100. And that completes our FIFO cost assignment. If this breakdown helped you understand FIFO more clearly, make sure to like and subscribe. If you want more accounting breakdowns just like this, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.